Welcome guys to another video where I'm going to be testing out the BOYA Lavalier microphone and giving you a closer look on how to set it up. Now before I jump right into the testing phase, let's take a closer look on what is inside this pack. And by the way, we've just reached 100 subs on this channel and I want to use the opportunity to say thank you. Inside a sealed pack like this one is a small pouch looking bag, and inside that bag there is one clip for the mic, 1mm jack to XLR input device thing, one windshield stroke foam, one pack of non-edible stuff, one battery, and then finally the heck of a long mic itself, which is the main microphone. So to get your mic ready, first of all we'll take our mic foam and cover our mic, then take the clip and snap it just at the mic area underneath the foam, and then finally we would make sure that the switch at the round shaped area is set to phone stroke off, and now you can plug it into your phone or your laptop to make use of it. If you have a camera that you will want to plug it with, you would then grab your battery and then unscrew the cap of the rounded area before putting in your battery. You would have to watch closely so that you put in your battery the right way. Push the switch upwards to the camera option, and now you can plug in your mic to your camera and you are good to go. Now on to the testing phase. So guys, this is my voice on my phone's microphone when I'm this close to my phone, and this is what it sounds when I give my phone this gap, that is this space. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in this lavalier microphone and show you the difference in the sound. So this is the sound of this microphone when plugged into my phone, and I'm also going to do a test on this microphone on my PC. So this is the audio from my laptop without any microphone plugged into it. So guys, this is what the microphone sounds like once it is plugged in my system, because right now I have it plugged and I have no settings touched. This is just the raw setting, just plug and play. So guys, if you want to get better, much more qualities from this microphone, go ahead and check out this video I posted a while ago of me talking about how to make any microphone sound like a quality studio microphone. So guys, now that at this point at this video, if you want to see an unboxing video on this tripod that I got yesterday, if you want an unboxing video and a review on this tripod, go ahead and drop it down in the comment section. And yeah, that's all for this video. Bye.